back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and on today's episode, I've got a call out for a no start. I got this call yesterday, but it wasn't an emergency, so the soonest appointment I had was today. And we're gonna go see why this car isn't starting. I have no idea. I think maybe they think it's a battery problem, but we'll see when we get there. At this point, I took several minutes to look around the truck and see if there was anything out of place. Everything looked to be in place, and the vehicle owner actually told me that he thinks that it has everything except for spark, so I'm going to start with that. Look at that blue house over there. What is that? That's cool. Suspected spark issue is what it looks like. It cranks over and has fuel. Supposedly has fuel. We'll see. All right. 12.3 volts. Okay, I'm gonna see if this coil works. Which I think I'm gonna have to put the key in the on position and grab something to stand on, I think. So far back there. All right. Maintenance required. Now that should be giving us some power there. Okay. Well, this may be the issue right here. This looks loose. See how loose that is? That's probably what's going on there. Let's see, OL. Oh, we're on ohms. There we go. Let's see what we got. That's grounded. That's grounded. Which one then? Supposed to have power. All right, I'm gonna try and start it like this and see if that gives it power, because that's the positive side. So I was really not expecting it to start right here, and I really almost cut the cable to my power probe, so I got real lucky with that one. Nice. So by putting that alligator clamp on there with the power probe, no doubt I caused that to connect better and get started. So all I've got to do is tighten that down and reestablish a good connection, and that should be problem solved. This bad boy's only got 10,000 miles. All right. There. Yeah. Maybe a little bigger. Yeah, that was loose. I just gave that a half a turn. It was still not even tight. That was the issue there. Easy peasy. It's nice. And then I think probably should put that back on for him. And let's make sure it starts again. That'll do. Oh, that's the hose here. All right. yeah, that's it. That's a job well done. Thanks for watching. Alright, so this was another great job. I just feel like I've been getting lucky lately. Every time I've been going out to a job, it's just the first thing I look at. A lot of times it's not that easy. Sometimes you look at everything else and it's the last thing you look at, and who's to determine that? I don't know. This one was a lucky one, and that was awesome. I'm super excited that this went well, and the customer's happy, I'm happy, and that's a job well done. Subscribe if you like the video. It means a ton to me. Leave a comment down below and like the video for the algorithm, and I'll see you on the next episode. Alright.